In this video guide, I will show with you how you can create Mollie account. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for this keyword, Mollie, as you can see here. When you click this keyword, you will see this page. Click sign up option from this top right corner. You will see this page, friends. From here, you have to write your all details, such your names, your name, your email address, and your password. Make sure write strong and good password. In this case, I want to make my password. After that, click on creating accounts. From here, friends, you will get your verification codes and your email address. After that, friends, all you have to do, just open your email address to get your verification codes, as you can see here, and then you will redirect it to dashboard. This is how you can do to create your accounts. From here, choose a country campaign registered, write your register name, and then click add manually here. After that, choose your legal name of this company. After that, when you choose your campaign name, write your fill all details here and then continue. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching.